Hi guys, good morning. Oh my god, nagising kami guys. Because may sunog dito sa hotel namin. I was so scared kasi nga yung asawa ko, hindi kami you can see that. Nandito na yung yung fire truck. I hope it's just a matter because hindi namin alam kung saan yung sunog lahat na ng guests nagsisialisa na, and then tumawag ako sa front desk, what's going on, kasi nga ang ingay, tapos nataranta na ako, yung asawa ko pa hindi pa kailangan pang ilagay yung leg niya, and I was like trying to grab all my stuff. I was like, no, I need to bring only I need to get my phone, my keys and everything, that yung mga damit namin nandoon pa sa loob kasi yung mga tao guys naglabas pa na ako, na ako kasi malamig. Yung iba nakapangtulog pa. Oh my god. This is crazy guys. And it's scary because hindi ko pa naranasan ng ganito. Dito na yung fire truck. I hope it's just I hope it's just somebody just press the fire, the fire thing. I hope it's not. Kasi hindi namin alam kung saan yung sunog. Nandun na yung firemen guys. Nasa loob. Nahanap nila kung saan yung wala namang usap na malabas sa building, so I hope it's just a minor thing. Yung kailangan effects, baka may nag-press lang ng ng fire alarm. And there's nandun yung fire truck. I was scared, hun.
I was always wondering how long it would take me to put my leg on.
And then I was like worried about you. Come on. And I was like in my mind like, come on. I asked you last night, what is this thing? There's a lot of itong hotel na to guys. They have a lot of
different alarms.
Yeah, in the room. I was like, tinitinan ko siya kasi nga mayroon sa bathroom, and then sa ceiling maraming sa hinahigaan namin may tatlong I don't know what kind of alarm. I know in our house I know in the ceiling there's like the fire alarm, but this place they have these three thing on the ceiling, and I was wondering what is that for, because ang dami, parang apat, then meron din sa loob ng bathroom. So that was last night. I asked my husband, what is that for? Because it's kind of scary. It's kind of annoying when we lay down in bed and then you keep the light blinking, and it's like I'm thinking about the camera, but it's not. So now it's like, now it stopped. The fire alarm stopped. So they probably just
somebody hit the alarm by mistake with their elbow.
Tumigil na yung alarm guys. So thank God. Wala naman masyadong So I think it's okay. So we're just gonna wait for the signal of the hotel to go, that we can go back. And we can try to go back to sleep, because I don't know what time now. What time is it on?
It's about 4 in the morning, I think.
4 in the morning?
You got my phone.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning, guys. I was like, what is that? We are yung iba guys,
5:27.
Yung iba nakapajam, pa. Yung babae naka-short na maikli, nakapajam. So we'll update you guys later what happened, kung ano nangyari sa ano. I'm sure sasabihin nila yan kung ano. So okay na daw guys, pwede na kami bumalik. Na-disturb na yung ano namin. Yung tulog. But at least everything is okay, so that's the important thing. Hi guys, tumunog na naman yung alarm. Oh my goodness. Tingnan nyo tong ceiling, oh. May tatlong ano. Tumunog na naman yung alarm. So, kailangan namin na namang lalabas. Kailangan na namin lumabas, guys. Yung asawa ko, hindi pa tapos ng ano. Oh my God.
You want to take my clothes in you?
This is crazy, guys. This is crazy.
Put those pills in the bag again.
It's right here. You need to make it faster. Sinisiguro ko yung mga pills niya, guys, kasi ano, importante yung ano, yung dinadala ko yung mga ano lang importante.
The other one was that quiet. This was that talking.
Huh? Oh my God. It's 7 o'clock and it started again, the fire alarm. The first one was like 5 o'clock. Now it's...
Not a drill kind of a thing.
Kind of backwards.
Yeah.
So they have to turn it. He has to turn it off.
Yeah, he's just gonna go. He's walking the panel now to silence it, and hopefully he'll give us some code to, or he'll silence it so it won't go off again while we wait for the alarm people to. Yeah, we were already gonna call the alarm people to let them know.
So hindi kami pinalabas, guys, kasi nandyan lang kami sa hallway kasi false alarm na naman daw. So chinek pa nila yung merong mga fire rescue kasi nga chinecheck nila yung building kung anong bakit nag-turn on pa rin yung alarm. So oh my God, guys, this is crazy. You can hear that? So yung asawa ko nasa labas lang, bumalik ako dito sa room kasi sabi ng hotel, sabi ng yung worker dito, sabi nila na magstay lang daw kami sa hallway. So, this is crazy. Breakfast muna kami, guys. Yung husband ko. After the fire alarm.
No, one was.